Hey there everybody, my name is Cameron Levis here with Bowling Green Parks and Recreation. I am the Special Populations Coordinator for the City of Bowling Green, and I'm joined today here at Roland Bland Park with Miss Lisa Hutchison from the Communication Sciences and Disorders Department at Western Kentucky University. We're here to talk a little bit about our communication station project here at Roland Bland Park and this wonderful new playground addition to our community. We're going to tell you a little bit about the project, kind of what it means for our community, how it facilitates inclusive play and interaction amongst individuals with and without disabilities, and just encourage you guys to come visit this beautiful new park here for our community to enjoy. So here at Bowling Green Parks and Recreation, we truly do believe that the universal language of play and a smile is a powerful thing. That's why we love this new all-inclusive and accessible playground here at Roland Bland Park that we opened officially in 2021, and taking it to another level just to create an inclusive play experience for our community. Adding this communication station has just been a wonderful addition to the park. Wonderful partners as part of this project. The Kids Club, Lizzie Loy, who is a student in the graduate program of speech pathology at Western Kentucky University, the Little Levis family and Stan England in honor of Dr. Alton Little, the Communication Sciences and Disorders Department at Western Kentucky along with Lizzie Loy, and so many others that we are just super thankful that helped make this project possible. Again, just a more inclusive play experience for our community. So I'm going to let Miss Lisa Hutchison from Western Kentucky just explain a little bit more about how this project is going to enhance and facilitate more inclusive interactions amongst kids with and without disabilities.
So we have this beautiful park that is so inclusive, and part of that welcoming part of play is social language and social communication and being able to express your needs even on a playground in a place like this. And so this communication station enables just that. It enables children to ask for what they want. It gives us the ability, a child the ability to tell you where he wants to play, or tell you who she wants to play with, or tell you whether it's her turn or your turn. So it increases the opportunities for someone to play together, the social components of this, and the play components that we all want to see. And so we're very, very happy to be a part of this to help those who have communication needs to be able to better express themselves.
Ms. Hutchison, I just want to thank you for joining me out here today at Roland Bland Park at our all-inclusive and accessible playground, just to talk a little more about this communication station and what it means for our community.
Thank you for making this possible, and thank you for providing the opportunity to explain this communication station and its use for those who need augmentative and alternative communication helps. This will be just the thing to help those who have those needs, who have those unique needs, to make friendships, to let their wants and wishes be known. Thank you.
Yeah, and I'd also like to thank a couple other volunteers we have today. Sydney, who is a graduate student in the speech pathology program at WKU, and then our buddy Colt, who's here today enjoying time at the playground, having a wonderful time playing. So thank you to them for joining us today to make this video possible. So, as we always say at Bowling Green Parks and Recreation, we'll see you at the park.